So I was just in the house. My husband says, hey, how's your penis pepper doing? So I said, oh, shoot. It was getting a bunch of flowers on it last time I saw it. I guess I got to go look for penises. So I'm out looking for penises on the penis pepper. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I hate those things. Ah! Instead of a penis, I found a freaking worm. Alright, so here is a penis pepper is growing, but it's growing it's growing weird. Oh God, there's a wrinkly penis right there. Oh, here's a penis pepper. See the penis pepper. Okay, so really quick, I had to go out because I do believe that I saved the tag that came with my penis pepper so that I could actually show you without using somebody's photo that I haven't asked permission to use. So let me see here. Let me turn you around. We are back at the penis pepper. Yep, there we go. Here it is. All right, let me wipe this off. All right, there we go. Whoop. I told you, and it's a non-GMO penis pepper. My husband was a little shocked when I came home with this one. So it is called a Capsicum Annuum. So does it say on here? I think that I read online. Gourmet meals, homegrown vegetables. I think that I read online it might be a little bit hotter than a jalapeno. Okay, so I brought you under the loofah arch where I'm shaded. So really quick, I wanted to talk to you guys about the fact that I haven't had any tomato worms on my tomato plants in 2 years. And I attribute that to the fact that I grow my tomatoes with mealworm frass. So when I plant them, I plant with a lot of the frass in the hole that I plant them in. And I also root zone, lay it periodically throughout the growing season and water it in at the base of the plant. I'm not as apt to do that with everything, but I do throw frass out to everything else that I grow. However, it's been a while, and honestly, the only thing that we've seen the tomato worms on this year is the penis pepper plant that I just showed you guys, as well as our Chileno peppers. And we've picked those off, and I've laid some more frass down, and we'll see if that takes care of that. But if you don't have any mealworm frass, you need to get yourself some. See if there's any local people that raise them and get some from them, or reach out to me and maybe we can make arrangements to get you guys some. But anyway, I hate those tomato worms. Oh, they just creep me out. The chickens love them. But yeah, I haven't had any on the tomatoes this year. Our tomatoes are super, super healthy. I will show you our tomato plants really quick so that you can see how healthy they all are. No issues with tomato worms. So hang on real quick. Let me turn this around. Here is my bed of Romas. There's six Roma plants there. And then there's 6 tomato plants here. 2 San Marzanos, 2 Sweet 100s, and 2 Whoppers. 6 more way up there in the upper garden. 6 more San Marzanos. I appreciate you guys watching the video. I just had to.